At Acrylic Arts Academy, we believe everyone has the potential to create something beautiful. We know that the world can be a challenging and stressful place, and that's why we've made it our mission to inspire and guide artists of all levels in their creative journey. Our passion for art runs deep, and we understand the power that creating something from scratch can have on the human spirit. We know that even the most experienced artists can struggle with inspiration and motivation from time to time, which is why we created the Painting Muse Deck. With this deck of cards, we aim to help artists break out of creative ruts and find inspiration in unexpected places. From famous painters from history to color palettes and different types of paintings to create, the Painting Muse Deck is designed to spark your creativity and give you the confidence to create something unique and meaningful. At Acrylic Arts Academy, we believe that art is not just a hobby, but a way of life. We strive to provide the guidance and resources that aspiring artists need to develop their skills, hone their craft, and ultimately create something that resonates with their soul. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, Acrylic Arts Academy is here to support you every step of the way. We're dedicated to helping you realize your full artistic potential and unlock the transformative power of creating something truly beautiful. Learn more about the Painting Muse Deck by using the link in the description below.